What's up, everybody? You're watching the From WordPress to Statamic YouTube channel. My name is Michael. Today, I want to extend what we were talking about in our last video, which was creating custom tags. If you remember from last time, we made this custom tag called test, and it just has an index method, and we hinted at maybe we'd look at this one next time. And if I go back to my template, it's just a tag pair using the word test as the opening and closing tags, and inside of that, I have access to my data. Today, I want to extend this tag a little bit, and in doing so, let's pretend that this is the collection tag that we've normally used to fetch our content from our collections. Now, our tag pairs using just the collection keyword doesn't work out of the box. We need to give it a method to tell it what collection we want to use. So for example, I need to go here, say blog, and so this would be like our collection tag fetching our blog content. Now, if I was to refresh that, it's not going to work because we don't have a blog method yet. So let's go make that. So over here, our index method is what we were using before, but now, since we've given it a method, that doesn't exist and it fails. So let's come down here and rename this to blog. And I'm just going to copy all this because what we're doing in this method is returning the blog collection. So I'll save that. And there we go, and I have basically the same thing as I had before. Now I could do the same thing with any other collection that I wanted to use. So if I was to copy this and come down here and call it people, and I want to get the people collection, and I come over here, let's just copy that, and we'll replace that with people. And now my list should contain my blog posts and my people. As you can see there, the titles, it's working. Now, I'm going to stick with my blog method for now, and I want to extend it a little bit so that we can pass in some parameters. Maybe I want to only get the ones with a certain category, for example. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to extend this a little bit. I'll create a new variable called category. And it is going to reference this params. It's going to get the category, and I'm going to make use of this value here in just a second. So the next thing that I actually need is to come down here. So I'm going to say where taxonomy is categories, and then we'll concatenate that here with the value of category. And I'll come back here. Let's get rid of people. And now the way that we would add that parameter is over here. Well, I'll say category equals, we'll have to pick one of the categories I have. Let's say wine. Whoops, I made a mistake over here and I need to get rid of my semicolon. And I'll come back and refresh. There we go. And now I have my blog post with the wine category. And if I was to change it over back to pasta, I'm gonna get that one. Now, if I was to remove it all together, it's probably gonna break because I'm trying to look for categories where none exists. So there's gonna be some extra work that I'm gonna need to do here to figure that out. But I'll point you to the documentation and see if you can figure this one out on your own. Maybe we'll talk about that in a subsequent video. For now, hopefully you've got a sneak peek at all the ways that you could extend the tag system to make it work for you. And you don't have to rely on the ones that it comes with out of the box. You wouldn't even have to interact with the content in your Statamic site here. You could hard code stuff, you could fetch from somewhere else if you want, and then it's just all available within the tags in your Antlers templates. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you haven't already, sign up for my newsletter. The link is in the description. Catch you next time.